Adjust bank and credit card opening balances. There could be several reasons for adjusting the bank opening balance. Bank errors, unrecorded transactions, bank fees, interest and other income, fraudulent activities, bank reconciliation errors, or changes in bank account. You can select the bank account. After you select the bank account, system will display current opening balance and opening balance as at date. You can enter new opening balance and you can enter the reason why you are changing the bank opening balance. After that, you can save. If you select any foreign currency bank account, system will display exchange rate. If you want to change the exchange rate, you can change the exchange rate. You can select new custom exchange rate and you can enter the exchange rate.